Genetic drift is one of the several mechanisms by which evolution can occur in populations. So let's say we have a population of green and blue parents, and they mate. Their offspring turns out to be 4 blue and 2 green. Whenever the parents die, what's left is an example of genetic drift. That is the pinky. Non-random mating is the second, or the ring finger, of evolution. Now let's say that there are yellow females and red and blue males. If the yellow females only prefer the blue males, then eventually the reds will die off and there will be a population of strictly blue and yellow bugs. Now for the middle finger, mutation is whenever something happens, some change in the frequency of alleles in a population. So let's say that 2 blues have a change in their alleles and they become yellow. Now if it's a silent mutation, nothing will happen and the children most likely will come out blue. But if it's not a silent mutation and it has an effect on the population, then there will be a change and their children will be green and blue. Now for the third form of evolution, we're talking about gene flow. Gene flow is whenever mixing of populations occur, creating new offspring. So let's say we have flowers on 2 different islands, and wind blows the pollen to each island. Now by doing this, it will create a mix within the population. And so their offspring will be new. And they will have orange offsprings within the population. Now for the last and final form of evolution is natural selection. Let's say we have a forest of green trees with green bugs and red bugs. Now there will be a smaller amount of red bugs because they don't blend in as well on the trees. But let's say after hundreds of years and after the trees burn in a forest fire, they change. They're not the same trees they were before. They are red trees. Now because they are red trees, the green bugs will be spotted easier. So unfortunately, the green bugs population will diminish, but the red bugs population will go up. This is the final and last example of evolution for natural selection.